Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, July 29th. The time is 11:08 and just turned 25 seconds. This is the drawing for the, not Thanos number 13, graded 9.4, and the Guardians number 13, which I don't know if it's technically the first Cosmic Ghost Rider. Over here on the left-hand side are the 15 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is only 6. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 6th roll. I apologize for that. At the end of the 6th roll, we'll win the books, and they will ship out in Monday's mail. Alright, good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the final one. 6. Spot 14. Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 11:09 and 24 seconds.